Now I am going to make one subwoofer amplifier using this circuit board. This amplifier will be subwoofer amplifier 2:2. It will be 2:2. 2 subwoofer output, another 2 surround output. This circuit, this transistor circuit, I am going to use for the subwoofer amplifier. Here is 448 transistor. Per channel got 4 transistor. Per channel can make maximum 300 watt. Per channel can make maximum 300 watt. This is the surround amplifier. I am using this sticker circuit board for the surround amplifier. Now I already fixed this two board here. I fixed this two board here. This transformer for the surround amplifier, and this one for the subwoofer amplifier. Left transformer for the surround amplifier and right transformer for the subwoofer amplifier. Now need to fix here this two transformer. Look, I fixed this transformer with the cabinet. Now I am going to use this base tone circuit for the surround amplifier. This base tone circuit with microphone and echo. Microphone with echo. This base tone circuit for surround. This one, the low pass filter. This one, low pass filter for the subwoofer. I am going to fix here. Need to make hole using the drill machine. Okay, I make ready. I make the hole here. Okay, this is the low pass filter for the subwoofer amplifier. Every circuit are ready to make wiring. This is the loop. This is the base tone circuit for the surround with microphone. And this one for subwoofer low pass filter. Now need to wiring this amplifier. I already wiring the AC voltage, AC 220 voltage to here, fuse to switch. After switch, it goes to the transformer. First voltage come from the fuse, then goes to switch. After switch, it goes to the transformer. Now I am going to check the voltage. Sorry. Look, I make switching first. It's 214 voltage. Voltage is low, 216. Here also 216. Now need to make the secondary voltage. Need to check the secondary voltage. Here 16, then 20. 16, then 20. Here ground is the middle ground, then 34 voltage, 35 voltage. Okay. Now need to connect. Here we can see the 3 terminal for the voltage. Middle on the ground, 2 corner is the AC. The middle wire should go to the middle, and 2 corner wire should go to that 2 corner connector. From here goes to there. From here goes to there. We can see here 5 hole. Here have 5 connector. 5 hole or 5 connector. Now I connected ready the wire. 5 wire goes to there. 5 wire goes to there. And I already connected the speaker output ground from the transformer, direct from the transformer, and speaker output from here from the circuit. Speaker output goes from the circuit. and this is the audio input for the surround speaker. This is the audio input wire for the surround speaker. Now the surround part is ready. Surround amplifier part is ready. Now need to connect this 3 voltage to the subwoofer amplifier, and the speaker output goes from here. This output goes from there, and the ground should come from transformer. Ground should come from the transformer. Okay, I connected connection all wire. This 3 wire, and the ground goes to there for the speaker output for subwoofer, and the speaker output comes from here. Speaker output comes from here. Okay, now both amplifier section is ready. This is the input. Both amplifier section is ready. Now need to wiring the preamplifier based on circuit and the low pass filter. Here need AC voltage. I will take the AC voltage from the transformer, this one from here, or I can take from the subwoofer transformer. I am going to take this voltage from here, and this is AC voltage, and here is the 5 voltage, and this one is the audio output. This wire will connect connection here. Will connected here. Now I already connected all wire. This one the audio input wire, and this is the 5 voltage I take from there, and this is the audio input. Everyone can connection this circuit. There's no problem. Now I am going to use this low pass filter for the subwoofer amplifier. This low pass filter for the subwoofer amplifier. Here need the AC voltage, and this one is the audio input, and this 2 is the output. Audio output goes to the amplifier circuit. Audio output goes to here and here, and audio input comes from the Bluetooth card. Okay, now I already connected the wire. AC voltage, audio output input, and the input I take from the Bluetooth card. Okay, now need to connect the audio level light. Already connected the audio level light. Okay, if you want any help, please contact with me from the comment. There are my number. It's Brother Electronics, my Joshua, and you also can contact with me from the screen number. Please visit the comment link to take the circuit diagram. Thank you for watching the video.